Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another update about Acet Finance. So the last video did pretty well and I decided to drop you an update, guys, because there is some cool things happening around it. So before we start with the video, guys, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. So what if I, guys, told you that by simply swapping your Acet tokens, you could lock in a price at 6 cents right now, as you can see, like roughly 6 cents, and get guaranteed buyback at 33 cents in just over a year. So it might sound crazy, right? Because that's over 5x return, and it sounds like it's for free. So yeah, welcome to Acet swap to ACT and Acet founders buyback campaign, guys. So I will walk you through everything step by step, and it's actually pretty interesting campaign by the founder, and it's crazy to think that he really wants to do it. So that's something really nice. As you can see, they are currently listed on the tracking pages. So you can see CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CryptoBubble, and all-time high is 190 here. All-time low, also consider all-time low, which is at 0.0242, and you know, right now it's sitting at 6 cents, which is still pretty good. You have some trade informations, you also have some event informations, contracts and stuff like that, and obviously where you can track them. So guys, Acet Finance is kind of changing the game, you know. It's a zero supply protocol, meaning that every ACT token in circulation comes from user swaps, and every token bought back gets permanently burned. So there is no inflation, there is just value compression, and that's what's really cool about this whole idea here. That's what I really like about it. So going into the posts that I want to show you, there is some X posts. They really are doing pretty well currently in terms of marketing, in terms of price growth, in terms of community growth, in terms of everything really. So they have a nice strong bullish pattern here. As you can see, 88% of CoinMarketCap users believe in ACT's upward momentum, and they did 20% that day, so it's also pretty cool. Then you can check out the deal they have. You can swap your coins for ACT, get plus 3% extra ACT with every exchange. So that's also limited time offer. Might be still available as you watch, but might be not also. So it's up to you to check it. Then you also have that ACT actually outperforms Bitcoin in growth potential, which is crazy. Over the past 90 days, ACT price has surged by 85% compared to BTC 8%. So if you watched my video and bought some ACT, then you are welcome. I told you that this has a lot of potential because we also discussed a partnership in the last video that they had with ACT, and it was a huge partnership, in fact. So if you haven't watched it, go ahead, guys, watch it, okay? Because that's definitely something that is still worth watching, in fact. Then you also have another post that people from 19 countries worldwide are gelling together toward a new life with Acet, with total assets swapped to ACT now surpassing roughly $2.83 million, which is really nice. They also have they have article on Cointelegraph, as you can see, with the CEO named most influential person in blockchain crypto 2025 at Middle East blockchain world. So that's really crazy, and it's nice to see that he's doing well, that he's getting appreciated by the industry leaders, you know. It's a great marketing for ACT as well. And then there is another post here on Hali Times, so it's really cool. And yeah, again, guys, they have this buyback campaign. If you want to learn more about it, you can go ahead and check out the whole buyback page. You can see the contract, how much was purchased, the remaining, where you can sell your ACT, and what is the percentage that is currently filled up. So yeah, it's really nice to see that they have this cool idea to have it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing that work out. Really cool concept, very nice ecosystem, in fact. So yeah, if you guys want to swap to ACT, you just go to swap ACT, and then you follow some simple steps. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can use MetaMask, you can use Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect. Then you have to be on Binance Smart Chain. Then you just select the token that you want to swap. You can swap from Ethereum, you can swap from BNB, you can swap from many tokens. So you just choose which token you want to swap. Let's say you want to do BNB. Then you input your amount, right? So let's say you want to do 0.5 BNB. It will show you how much ACT you will receive with some bonus, which is cool. And there is this 3% bonus still ongoing from what I see, so it's cool. Then obviously your regular stuff, approval, confirming the swap, and then you have your ACT in your wallet, guys. And then again, if you want to participate in the buyback campaign, then everything is available here in this dashboard. You have those different options, right? The best one being the at 33 cents, and you have 23 cents, 15 cents, 9 cents, 7 cents, 5 cents, and 25 cents. So these are the offers here. And if you select this particular pool, then this is the founders buyback campaign. It's locked ACT that will be bought back at 33 cents in 390 days, okay, because you have the periods listed here. So you can use the other ones too, obviously. This one is the longest one because it's 390 days, so it's essentially over a year, but then you are technically guaranteed to get the buyback at this price, this particular price. Obviously by the time the ACT could be worth more, so you know, it's up to you, but it's a really cool idea that they are doing here. So then you just enter your amount to lock if you click the sell ACT. So let's say you want to do, the minimum is 100, as you can see. Let's say you want to do like 1000 ACT or whatever you have, and then you just sell it. It shows you how much you will receive in 390 days. So for 1000 you could get 330 USDT this case. So if you want to calculate your ROI, kind of, it's also easy to do. You just go to your swap. Let's say it will be easier to put it in USDT. Or actually, could we do, let's just do BNB, right? Because one BNB right now is wait guys, one BNB right now is 673, so this is 11,735 ACT, right? So let's say we want to lock up this 11,000, how much exactly was it? 735, okay, 735, and this is how much you are supposed to receive in 390 days. So that's 3,872 minus your cost of 673, which leaves us with 3,200 pure profit, which is absolutely crazy. And that's how you can essentially calculate your ROI. So it's a really simple hold strategy with no trading, no guessing work. The protocol itself buys back your tokens at a higher price. So this isn't like, you know, any staking. This isn't like a staking API that inflates token supply. Like with Acet, every token buyback is locked and it's automated by smart contracts. So that's real deflationary decentralized finance economics in action. So you really benefit a lot from the current price. Then you also benefit on the 3% bonus on ACT, and then the token scarcity increasing as others buy and lock. So if you are ready to, you know, maybe go for some long-term profit, then you could definitely consider going to Acet, following the steps that I showed you guys, and join the founders buyback campaign. So you know, it's a really cool idea. Again, I know that I'm, you know, repeating myself a lot, but I genuinely like how it looks. So also drop me a comment, guys, if you joined and subscribe for my next update on how Acet is tracking buybacks in real time on chain. It's transparent, it's deflationary, it's built for serious believers in DeFi, which is another thing that I love, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments. We will be definitely tracking them because I want to see how this whole campaign goes. So far so good, if you ask me, but definitely I want to see how it goes down further. Also guys, make sure to follow their social medias. You have them all on the website. You have their X, Telegram, Facebook and Gitbook. And that's it from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos coming out soon.